I'm Maria Vinograd. I am a Senior Teaching Fellow at the Centre for Environmental Policy.
And I'm Georgia Ray, and I am a PhD student also at the Centre for Environmental Policy.
Georgia, you're from the US originally. What made you choose London?
I originally came for Imperial. I was looking at where I wanted to do my master's, and Imperial was the only place in the world at the time that had the exact intersection that I was looking for.
What was that intersection?
It was the intersection of machine learning and environmental policy.
And now you've carried that on to your PhD and you're doing much more in-depth research.
Yes, correct. Something that's been very cool is the thread that I've been able to carry over.
We definitely try and be as interdisciplinary as we can. And Imperial is a fantastic place to do that.
You did the master's in CEP and now have come back to teach on it. What kept you coming back? What makes it so different from other places?
I think we run a really special program of training and teaching sustainability at postgraduate level. We bring together people that have already got an academic background, have finished their degree in any discipline. And we try to help them use their skills and use what they've learned and apply that to sustainability problems. Our main master's program has been going for 50 years. So I think it was one of the first ones, and you can tell, right? we have a lot of connections and a lot of experts coming together to speak to our students. We have a huge alumni network.
You might expect that a department that has been around for 50 years finds itself stuck in sort of old traditions, but I haven't experienced that at all. In fact, there's a lot of excitement from many people in the department about pushing forward further. What can we do better? How can we change things? We're always having conversations at all levels. It's been so interesting to see the different things people are working on. And I feel like you must even have more experience with that, being in the department even longer.
Yeah, it's very varied. So, the office where I sit, I'm looking at recycling statistics on my computer. And then the person next to me is mapping geospatially the spread of conservation initiatives in the Amazon. We try to be really progressive in the way that we teach. So we don't just use lectures. We go much, much beyond that, as our students are pretty much working as environmental consultants whilst being on the course. So they are solving the same types of problems, working for real clients within the assessment for a particular module. Our energy policy students go on a week-long field trip to Wales, and they look at wind farms, they look at a lot of sort of green energy production. My students go to rubbish dumps and the material recovery facilities, which are these incredible Willy Wonka factories for sorting rubbish. And another really exciting example is our conservation policy students got the opportunity to go on a field trip to the Amazon and engage with conservation organizations, and that's incredible. They come back with fabulous photos and we're all very jealous.
Yes, I'm sure.